Unleashing AI magic, building your own chatbot in 10 minutes. Dive into the enchanting world of AI. In this 10-minute wizardry, we'll brew up a magical chatbot using the Teams Toolkit for Visual Studio Code.
To get started with creating an AI chatbot using the Teams Toolkit for Visual Studio Code, follow the steps below. 1. Install the Teams Toolkit for Visual Studio Code by visiting the official Visual Studio Code website and downloading the extension. Once the extension is installed, open Visual Studio Code. 2. Create a new project by clicking on the New button in the Solution Explorer and selecting the Teams App Project template. In the Project Creation dialog, choose Bot and select AI Assistant Bot. 3. Set up your OpenAI Assistant by installing the necessary dependency packages using the npm or yarn CLI. To get started, follow the instructions provided in the OpenAI official documentation. Additionally, make sure to provide your OpenAI API key and Assistant ID. 4. Build and test your bot by using the Teams Toolkit to build your AI chatbot. To send proactive messages to Microsoft Teams, interact with users, and handle conversations, you will need to integrate your bot with the platform. For more information on how to do this, please refer to the respective documentation for your chosen platform. Remember to test your bot locally by debugging your bot using the Teams App Test Assistant to ensure that it is functioning
You're a
properly.
chatbot sorcerer. In just 10 minutes, you've brewed an AI companion. Now go forth, spread magic, and chat with the cosmos. Share, subscribe for more tutorials.